We are Team 4 GlowGrid. GlowGrid is a modified version of the Light Up Dance Tiles arcade game called Dance Dance Revolution that many of us played when we were kids. And all of us being dancers, Jen and Hannah in AADT and me, Dhriti and Ghungroo, we chose to do Light Up Dance Tiles because we wanted to share our love for movement with everyone. Now I'll go through the basic operating principles of our circuit. So first, the Arduino code is uploaded, and we have it so that the blue LED lights light up by default. And time starts counting the moment these blue LED lights light up. And the person sees this, and when pressure is applied by this person jumping onto the tile, it causes the blue LED lights to turn off. Also, our Arduino code calculates the reaction time the moment pressure is applied. And this time is added to this variable that keeps track of all the times taken for each step, and it's cumulative, and at the end will output the total amount of time taken to complete all steps. Something else that happens when pressure is applied by the person is that another random tile will light up. And we repeat this process 14 more times, and the average reaction time per tile is given to the participant at the end. We built homemade dance tiles using pressure sensors that were made from just foam, aluminum foil, copper wire, tape, and cardboard. Each of the tiles was connected to an LED. And the reason we used aluminum foil was because it served as conductive layers for the sensor. And when the copper wires that were attached to the foils connected to each other, the top and the bottom plate, and distance was decreased by the person stepping on it, it allowed a path for electrical current to flow through the sensor and to the circuit.
Okay, that's fine. That could be statistical probability.
Stop saying that.
We ate that shit! Here we can see Jen connecting the power and ground wires of the tile that is associated with the LED lights that are currently on. What's supposed to happen is when these two wires are connected, the lights that are on are supposed to turn off, and another random LED light is supposed to turn on. And now we get into the actual construction of the dance tiles. So a lot of time spent in the wood shop, cutting blocks of wood and then wood gluing them together and then waiting for them to dry. And then here you can see that we're making our GlowGrid logo, which is also super fun. But yeah, a very cool process. Alrighty, so at this point we have troubleshooted everything we needed to. Sometimes lights were automatically passing like that because the plates were accidentally touching, so I just had to make sure the foils weren't touching. And also we needed to check the wiring connections. At times the light wouldn't go off when we touched it like that, and that was always an issue with something was incorrectly connected to the breadboard, or some wire got loose, but we were able to fix it, and now the game works. And all the lights have been hot glued, so it looks pretty. Red, green, blue, white, red, green, yellow, and that's the end of the game. It stops after about 8 tiles. And yeah, reaction time is calculated on the computer. But that is GlowGrid, and the next step for us is to somehow make these wires a little neater for transportation, and also to make sure these edges that are uneven are like fixed so that the participants aren't tripping over anything. Yay! My reactions.
Because, yeah, it's like the whole thing, like